In right triangle ABC, they tell you the three different sides. Which equation could be used to find the measure of A? Okay, so from A, let's just label our sides first. We have across the triangle as the opposite side. We have the longest side as the hypotenuse, and then the one next to is the adjacent. So then let's check this. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so 7 over 24. Oh, that works. Tangent is 7 over 24, so it can't be that one. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Well, the hypotenuse is 25, so that's not right. And cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent is 24, but the hypotenuse is not that, so it would be A. Number 24, find C. Okay, so again here, you could use your special right triangles, or now that you know trig, you could use trig. So across from the 45 is the opposite, and C is the hypotenuse. So that will be sine 45 equals 9 over C. So in order to find the variable, multiply by C on both sides, and divide by sine 45. So put that in your calculator. 9 divided by sine 45 gives us 12.73. And again, if you have radicals over here, you know it can't be 18 and 9, so put these in your calculator. 9 square root 3 is 15.6. 9 square root 2 is 12.73, which is what we got. 25, find the geometric mean between 9 and 11. So geometric mean, A over X equals X over B. Cross multiply, X squared equals 99. Square root, X equals, let's do a factor tree here. 9 and 11, 3 times 3. So 3 square root 11. Number 26, find X. Okay, so let's set up our proportion using the small triangle and the big triangle. So on the small triangle, I have the short leg, 3, over the hypotenuse, X, is equal to, so that was the short and the hypotenuse. So then on the big triangle now, I'm going to go to the short leg, which is over here, the X, here's the short leg, over the hypotenuse, which is 11. So X squared equals 33, square root, and we can simplify 33, so we will just leave it as that. 27, find X. So this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Again, you can use your special right triangles, or you can use your trig function. So if you pick an angle, like if I pick this 45 right here, and I go opposite, and this is the hypotenuse, that would be sine 45 equals X over 22. Multiply both sides by 22. So 22 sine 45 is 15.56. And the last one, number 28, find X. You have 3 sides, so use Pythagorean theorem. So we'll say X squared plus 15 squared equals 37 squared. X squared plus 225 equals 1369. Subtract 225 over is equal to 1144. Square root, don't forget to square root. So X is equal to, I'm going to go ahead and take the square root of that. I got 33.8. So I know it can't be 22. I know it can't be 1144. So I'm going to put these two in my calculator. Square root of 1594 is 39.9. So let's just double check this one. 2 times the square root of 286 is equal to 33.8. So it would be G.